Terry and Lidia here in Ketchikan, Alaska. We came this time on the Cunard Queen Elizabeth. I didn't know it yet, but we're going to see something I have never seen before. This morning we are at our first port and we're in Ketchikan, Alaska. And I see the Celebrity Summit pulling up here to the docks. Lidia and I have been on that cruise about 1.5 years ago. We've got a video about that trip. That was a nice ship. Just having our breakfast, getting ready to go out into the town, walk around and check it. We've been here a few times, so we didn't book an excursion this time. We're just going to check out the town and enjoy our walk. On this trip, we're joined by Lydia's brother Yuri here and our niece. And first, we're going to go walk through the town, like I said. But later on, we're going to go through the residential streets, get to a place where we're actually in the rivers and see salmon stacked up like I've never seen before. It's so interesting. Here to see all these fish here. Hopefully we can see them in the water. There's a bunch of huge salmon here. Oh, look at him come. Coming right on through there. Got a fish on. Good job.
Can I do picture with you or video?
Wow, look at that.
This is silver.
Okay.
You can tell because he has like a long silver streak on the side.
I see that. Good job. So what kind of fish is that? Silver salmon. Silver salmon.
Yeah.
Wow. Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah, for sure.
He needs to charge for this. You should charge $1 a person.
river. So here's the natural part of the river that they've got to fight themselves up, and there's a ladder that's been built so they can have a little easier time getting through. There's a few in there. Don't know if it's filming out very well. So there's the entry to the fish ladder. That they've got to make a decision to try to go up the easier way. So we're leaving Ketchikan. It's a very beautiful day today.